This is how you create a custom theme in suiteCRM. The first thing that you want to do is notice where the themes are, and you have to be logged in as administrator to view this. You go in the right corner, click on admin, and then you go down into developer tools, and one of these is to select themes. Let's see. There it is. Okay, so it's not in developer tools, it's in systems. You'll go ahead and click on themes. And you'll notice by default there's 3 of them: Suite R, Suite P, Suite 7, and I created a custom one which we can then edit and then see our changes live. And so once you create a custom theme, which I will show you how to do here in a second, you will select this from the administration panel, you will click save, and then all of your CSS edits will then be in the UI. You'll notice that I just pretty much copied it from the Suite P one, and that was obviously by design, so I don't have to do a lot of the padding and whatever. I can just change colors to where I need it, and this is how I did it. So you want to go into the custom directory. The custom directory is important because this will make the CSS edits upgrade safe, so if you ever have to upgrade the software to a new version, your CSS edits are not going to be overridden. You may also notice if you try tracing back some of the CSS that a lot of it is in the cache directory. You don't want to edit anything that's inside of the cache directory because this is volatile software here, and this will change and it will overwrite your edits. And so what you need to do is go down to where it says themes, and this is one way of doing it. You can certainly make this from scratch yourself, but I don't recommend it for time and mistakes that you would make along the way from minor edits. You would want to click on the one that you're most comfortable with. You can also probably find one on the internet that you might like too and just edit it from there. You want to copy one of those and then paste it into the custom themes directory, and that's exactly what I did here. And then I renamed this directory custom theme, and so this has all the CSS that the Suite P directory has, and I spent a good chunk of time here, half an hour, modifying it, trying to figure out where the theme is going to be done so I can actually show you guys how to do this. And it's kind of different in various versions of Sugar, and so but it's pretty similar here in the concept of a custom directory and making it upgrade safe. So once you do this and you go into your theme definition.php, rename the name of the theme so that when you go into the administration panel you can see it. Then once you're here, you want to go into administrator, go to admin, then you want to click on repair, do a quick repair and rebuild. This will redo the cache, delete the cache, and then rebuild it, and also rebuild the language files. Once this is done, then you can go into administration panel again, go down to themes, and then your theme should be viewable there. And yeah, I've already had my theme there as you've seen before, so what we're going to do next is now we're going to make a simple edit. I think most of the things we're going to be looking at is going to be style CSS, and this uses SAS, which is a preprocessor to CSS, so it makes it more efficient. Let's see if I can make might be able to just make a custom CSS file here, because all the CSS is going to be loaded in. Oops. Don't want to open Talon. That's another tutorial. Go away. Now once we okay, so now what we have to do is make a simple UI edit. So I'm just going to go into my accounts, and then I'm going to right click and go to inspect, and I'm using Chrome, and in other browsers this will look different. I recommend Chrome for making basic CSS edits though. It makes life easy. So I'm going to find the div that is using. appears to be this navigation bar, and then here's all the CSS associated with that. Let's see if I can make the background blue. So this one makes the background blue. And this one's in style, so that's CSS. But that's in the cache directory, so I don't know how reliable this one reference is. But let's see what happens if I put it in this custom one and see if it overwrites anything. So now that we have that, we should just be able to destroy our cache contents of our cache directory. And I'm clicking and holding, and then this menu appears in Chrome, and then an empty cache and hard reload, and we'll see what happens here. More than likely will not appear because we didn't put it in the style.css, and something may overwrite it. Yep, it did. So that was overridden. See what this color changes. Doesn't change anything. Okay, so we have to change style to CSS, I think. So then we're going to go into style, and this has been minified, oh joy. And this one is the imports to all the things. Let's see what happens if I were to just put the thing inside here. Trying to remember my rebuild it. Okay. Trying to remember syntax for this. Rebuilding it might not be a bad idea, but all it's going to do is empty the cache. Is it working? Nope. Okay, we're getting closer. Where is this located? Let's just drop this right into the style that's CSS directory. Looks like the rest of it is, oops. Well, it's either counted out or it's formatted. Yeah, my syntax highlighting is not getting all of it. Let's just put it at the end. Well, there certainly is a lot of it. Where's my scroller? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, we'll see what that happens. Empty the cache again, and then we will go back to our thing, and hopefully third time will be the charm, or it's just a fourth time. I don't remember. Is it gonna work? Nope. Well, this is part one. Part two I'll do tomorrow and see if I can figure out the rest.